This is a worn out Yanagi, as you can see. It used to be a 270. The customer has sharpened it without raising the Shirogane line. What has also happened is that as the knife recedes, okay, you lose some of the concave grind. So what I would like to do now is to introduce some level of concaveness in here. I will use this sanding block, okay, and this is what I do. At the same time, my focus would also be on this portion because it has become thick. And sometimes some people, when they sharpen, they have raised at an angle. So I'm going to reduce the higher part, we call it the shoulder. I wet my sandpaper, and this is what I do. Okay. I just keep on rubbing. Where I put my finger is critical because I want to remove the high spot towards the edge. I'll use all over the sanding block. As you can see, the black juice is still coming out. Okay. The concave grind on the back of the knife will prevent food from sticking. Less friction. This is, oops, I poke into it. Or alternatively, if I want to be more aggressive, put it here, or I'll put it here, okay, edge towards the stone, and drop like hell. Bottom half, upper half. This is how you remove steel on the Ura side of a single bevel knife.